we're going to make the stutter effect.
Gonna hold you down like mine.
It's really popular in a lot of productions. Flume, Fred Again, and pretty much every trance DJ on the earth uses this thing. We're using the LFO tool for it. It takes 2 seconds. Absolute weapon of a plugin. In every single one of my productions, I use it. And in every single one of the days that I live, I drink coffee. Absolutely addicted. Let's go check it out.
All right, so we've got a track here. I'll give you guys a listen to it.
There ain't another love that is gonna hold you down like mine.
Pretty basic, but this lead, I want it to have more momentum. I want it to have more pace. I want it to be more exciting. So what we're going to do is throw our LFO tool on, hop into presets, Transgate. I think number 4 is pretty cool. Adjust the depth and smoothness to your liking. I'm going to go about 70. Way more energy. Now let's play it.
There ain't another love that is gonna hold you down like mine. Gonna hold you down like mine.
What a banger. That's how you do it. I'll see you guys in the next one.